What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be reviewing the first week of the One Funnel Away Challenge. Stay tuned. What's going on, guys? Ryan McMorris here with Intentional Lifestyle Creators, and today I'm going to give you a first week review and recap of the One Funnel Away Challenge. I'm going to give you my biggest takeaways, and I'm going to share a bonus with you guys. If you have missed enrollment to any of these One Funnel Away challenges, then what we have done is, because it's such a good challenge and you have to go through it, if you want to make more money online, you've got to go through this thing. It's the best thing you'll ever do. It's the best time you'll ever spend in your business, okay? Well, if you're not familiar with the One Funnel Away Challenge, it is a challenge that Russell Brunson and the ClickFunnels team have put together, and it's 30 full days of marketing and mindset to help you take your business to the next level and help you design one funnel that can generate your next big payday, whether it's $1,000, $10,000, $100,000, or hell, I don't know, maybe you hit the 2 comma club and have your first $1 million funnel, okay? But what I want to share with you today is my first week 1 recap. Any good training has to start off with mindset. And the first thing that they talk about is belief and how you can create more belief, the action steps that you need to create the belief that you can actually do it. And I love a training that starts off with mindset, vision, and belief. I absolutely love it. So if you're having trouble believing that you can rank advance in your business, or you can have your first $1,000 month, or you can make $10,000, or whatever it is, whatever you don't believe, go through this challenge, and it will test you. And you'll start to understand why you don't believe it, and then they'll show you how to create that belief. Every single one of us has trouble believing something, okay? Back in the day, you know, I remember not believing that I could ever make money online selling courses. Okay, I remember back in the day where I believed that, you know what, I could not, you know, build a network marketing business or have an organization of over, you know, 10,000 people. And, you know, at some point there's something that you don't believe, and then you just stick with it, and all of a sudden you believe it. But even when you believe that, there's something else that you don't believe. And so I don't care where you are in your journey, you may believe something. You may believe, you know what, I can make $1,000 a month, but you may not believe that you can make $1 million a month. And so I want to challenge you to go through this One Funnel Away Challenge, because there's something you don't believe, and they'll push you to get to that thing where you do believe it. And that's where you all need to be. Mission number 2 was all about failure, okay? Now, the cool thing the big takeaway that I got from Russell talking about all the failures that he's done is you just realize it's not cliche when people talk about you got to fail your way forward. I mean, it's so true. And I just realized, yeah, we failed a lot and it's gotten us to this point, but we have not failed enough. And, you know, like they talk about the numbers, about how many funnels they've created. Fail, 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 win. And a lot of us, we're not failing quick enough. And I know that sometimes it sounds cliche, but every failure, you know, if you look at what Russell Brunson has done with ClickFunnels and the type of company it is, and the money that they do and the people that they help, and it's like the mountaintop. And it's only going to be the mountaintop for a while. You know, it could be their longest running mountaintop for the next like 20, 30 years. Who knows, right? But he was having success in another company, a nutritional based company before that, and they hit some big blocks, some big bumps in the road, and that's what led to ClickFunnels. And so I want you to understand, the failures are going to lead you to the big day, the big promise. You just got to be ready, and you just got to keep failing forward. Day number 3 is my biggest takeaway from this challenge. Now, day number 4 and 5, they give you 2 presentations that they want you to break down, which are really, really good. But I think my biggest takeaway was day number 3, and that was when they talk about the who, not the how. Okay, and a lot of us are focused on the how when it comes to our business. How can we do email better? How can we, sorry, my dog. How can we do email better? How can we do Facebook better? How can we do Instagram better? And one of the things that they talk about is stop worrying about the how and start figuring out the who. Once you figured out your vision, okay, if you start thinking like a contractor building a house, a contractor can see the house that needs to be built, right? He's got the blueprints and he can see it. He's got the vision. And once that vision is clear, all the contractor needs to do is find the plumber, find the bricklayer, find the person that's got the wood, find it. He needs a Rolodex of everybody, of all the contacts in order to make this house come together in the most timely, costly, efficient way ever, right? And so that's how we need to start thinking. Instead of saying, you know what, I need to learn how to play the drums and the guitar, and I need to learn how to sing, and I need to learn how to do the keyboard, I need to learn how to master this, I need to learn how to edit this. Stop. Be the conductor, be the producer, and find the people that know how to play drums, that know how to play guitar. And that's how we got to start thinking. And so one of the biggest takeaways that I got from the One Funnel Away Challenge was starting to think like a contractor. We had outsourced in the past, but we're taking outsourcing way more seriously now, and looking for who, not how. Okay, and I don't want you to take this in a way that you think like, okay, don't focus on any of the how, because I do think that you need to know enough about a particular subject. Maybe it's copywriting, maybe it's email, maybe it's Facebook marketing or Facebook advertising or Instagram. You should probably know enough about it just to get by and know like that you're hiring the right person, okay? But you don't need to know everything in order to create the house that you want, your business, your online empire. You don't need to know everything. And I think that's the biggest thing that I want you to take away from this video. So one of the things that I want you to do is, from this stuff in here, okay? So I'm gonna writing sales copy, writing emails, logo design, graphic design, worksheet creation, editing video, running Facebook ads, and social media. And so when I look at all this stuff, it says, I can do this. Now, I checked off everything on this list. I know how to do it, okay? And it says I had no idea how to do this. And then there should be another one that's not on here, but I feel like there should be another list. What shouldn't I be doing? So when I look at this, like, should I be writing my own sales copy? Probably not. It takes a long time to write copy. Do we know how to write copy? Yes, but is there someone else out there that can write good sales copy, get it to where we need it to be? And it can save us a ton of time, right? Is there someone else out there that can write our emails? Yes. Do we know how to do it? Yeah. Do I know how to make logos? I do know how to make logos, but I shouldn't be spending my time when I can just go hire somebody on Fiverr or Upwork, or keep, if you find a good person on Fiverr or Upwork, keep their contact information so you're not always looking for someone new when you go to these sites. Worksheet creation. We create our own worksheets, and that is one of the biggest time suckers. And so finding a person that you can actually train and say, hey, maybe I'll spend 2-3 hours training them how to make the worksheets how we want them, and then they can go do them. That's gonna save you so much time. But worksheets and PDFs and lead magnets are things that you may need in your business to generate leads and to make sales. Editing video, that's one thing that I should not edit this video, okay? Trust me, you're watching this video right now, I do not need to be the one editing this video. It does not need to happen. Our podcast does not need to be edited by me because we can find someone else to do it, okay? So divide up into 3 common areas. Hey, what are you really good at? We're really, really good at helping people get the strategy right. We're helping people get the marketing right, dial in their message, get their brand right, monetize and really figure out what they need to be what they do on social media. We don't need to be writing someone else's copy. We don't need to be doing all that stuff. Can I do it? Yes. Okay, I can do that. But there's a difference. Just because you can do something doesn't mean you should do something. So in your own business, start to think like a contractor. What are you really good at? What do you not know how to do? What if you list all the things? I don't know how to do this stuff, but it needs to be done in order to get this house finished, okay? Maybe it's a website, maybe it's web design, maybe it's all that stuff, coding. You don't need to be learning all that, okay? Hire somebody else to do it. And if you don't have the money, then you have to go find the money. Maybe work an extra job, maybe go drive Uber, something like that. Sell something in your house. Like make Make it mandatory for this to be a thing. It does not slip through. And the last category is what shouldn't I be doing? So on a daily basis, you doing activity in your business, what shouldn't you be doing, okay? And if you can do this, I guarantee you're gonna have a better flowing business, and you're actually gonna create a system inside of your business that doesn't always involve you. Hopefully you got some takeaways out of this, and those were my big takeaways from week 1 in the One Funnel Away Challenge. So I hope that you get your access to the next One Funnel Away Challenge. And remember, we're throwing in some insane bonuses. We're gonna be doing funnel reviews. We have a Facebook group. We have some cool videos that we got for you guys, and we got some cool prizes for everyone who joins the next One Funnel Away Challenge. You are gonna get some pretty cool bonuses from us. So make sure you lock in your next spot for the next one. And those are my takeaways from week 1. Stay tuned for our takeaways from week 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we'll catch you in the next video of ILC TV. Make sure you get subscribed if you like online business, passive income, and living the lifestyle of your dreams. Make sure you get subscribed. Check out one of these videos popping up, and we'll catch you in the next one.